Good afternoon, my dear students. My name is Polaj Vishwas, Assistant Professor, JS College of Engineering. The, this is my second lecture, the modern concept of total quality management. And basically, the previous classes we have to already discuss the quality management. And first, we have to require the concept of quality. And the concept of quality, the basic quality concept, this basic concept of this quality assurance and the quality management is to be encourage the individual operator to be responsible for this own works. And each and every production industry also have to require the improvement to this the own work qualities. And similarly, you have to given to this the quality product to this the customers. And the quality terminology, the external the person who buys the goods or service your product you produce, then this will be required to this the external the terminology of this the quality terminology. And the quality terminology, quality policy, the overall quality intentions and directions of the organizations as regards quality as formally expressed by top management. And according to your the top management concentration, according to your the company, and your product will be launched to this market, and also you will be the maintain the which quality product will be the product will be launched in your markets. And each and everything you have to require the proper quality maintained. Either your product cannot be launched in your markets and cannot be survive on this the markets. And this will be the very much important facts about the quality materials you have to produce to this the customers. And the changing quality concept, the quality improvement is about designing systems and process changing that leads to operational improvements. And an organizational culture of quality is one in which concept of quality are ingrained in organizational values, goals, practice, and process. And basically the we have to concept to this the quality, then this will be the values of these organizations, and the which type of products will be launched in your market. And basically the few companies the trademarks is the very much essential, because of the according to your the trademarks, and also you have to concentrate to this the organizational value, the you have to always maintain. And basically the few types of products that like out the food products, the food products you have to buy, just like the oil. The oil is the you have to always maintain the there is a brand value, because of this brand, that's like the engine brand oil, that's like the mustard oil. This mustard oil is the very good quality mustard oil, and also this will be the maintain this the proper quality. And basically the according to your this quality will be depend on this the customer satisfaction, and also this will be the maintain to this the proper way. And which types of content you have to give an inside of this the package. Now all things you have to the some product we can see that this is the right of this outside of this package, but this packet not cannot be maintained according to this the write up. Okay. And this will be the difficulties for this the you have to always require to this organizational values will be depends on this the quality of product and the goals. And basically the few industries also few goals also will be there, and these goals will be maintained according to this the good quality products. And the practice also will be required to this the good quality product to this the sell to this the customers. And also this will be packing, and also quality assurance, quality maintenance, and all things also will be the maintained. And the process, and the few process you have to you have to consider these few process you have to apply, then the good quality product also will be the produced. And similarly the process will be the very important fact, and you have to concentrate the all process also that this will be the maintain this the changing the concept of this the quality. And in the context of quality, the change could be sometimes as a direct discards as a revised a contracts approval process resulting from the QI projects also. And another thing is the total quality management, the how you can be managed. This is the total quality on this the product. And basically the all things you have to concentration. The according to your the product, because of your product also will be the this will be the surviving systems due to the your manufacturing production units, and according to your the production will be the good quality product, then this product will be sustained in this markets. Either your product cannot be sustained markets. For this the total quality management is the very much essential. A total approach to quality is the current thinking of today, which is properly called the total quality management. The idea behind TQM, or the total quality management, is to create a quality culture throughout the organization. The quality culture is the very much essential throughout this organization, because we cannot be follow our quality, and this is the few industry, and this will be the concentration. We cannot be follow our quality, because the quality is the when the good quality product is the you have to deliver to this the customer, then your customer will be the satisfied for your product, then this will be the your customer satisfaction is the very much essential for the good quality product. Also will be the culture, and also this will be maintain the total quality management. The credit for pioneering this concept or total quality management should be based toward upon this the W. Edwards Deming of Japan, who introduced this philosophy in Japan over 4 decades ago. And basically, gradually, the concept of total quality management change caught the attention of the industrialists, the all over the world, including India. And basically, the all things will be concentrated by this the total quality management. This will be introduced by this the Japanese quality gurus. This will be the Deming. The concept and elements of TQM. The total quality management is a philosophy that believes in a company who is responsible towards quality via fostering a quality culture throughout the organization, involving continuous improvement in the quality of works of all employees with a view to best meeting the requirement of customers. Basically, we can say the each and every industrialist, the good quality industrialist, he will be always maintain this quality, and that's like the production industry as well as the education industry. Those the top management always maintain that this type of company will be survived. This is a long run. Then this company also will be maintained to this the good quality products. And the few the small the short term industrialists also will be seen that this is the not will be the long term decisions. Then there is the not the quality will be maintained. That this person also will be seen that this product will be value in this that time, and also this product also you have to produce, and you have to anyhow production will be increased, and your product will be launched to this the market, and also you have to demand will be less, then this type of product units you have to stopping here. And this is the not will be the maintained, this is the good total quality management, and this is the not the long run this company will be survive. And during to this the surviving of this the long run, your company always you have to require to this the maintain this the total quality management for this the customer satisfaction. And the following are the basic element of this the total quality management: the meeting customers requirements, and basically the each and every product also will be the produce depends on this the customer satisfaction as well as the customer requirement. Your product cannot be required to this the customers, then your product not will be launched on this the markets. And suppose your product will be launched to this the market, but you cannot be survive in this the long time, because of that this is the not required to this the customers. Basically, we can see few type of manufacturing units, that this is the after 10 to 15 years this type of product cannot be survive in or the manufacturing units, and like or the environment, because of this type of product will be required to this the each and every day R&D section also will be available, and this research and development procedures will be continuously change according to the customer requirements. And also we have to take in product from these markets before 10 to 15 years, and also this type of product not will be obtained after the 20 years, because of the according to your R&D section, and also this is according to the customer requirement. These products will be the few parts also will be changed, and the few modification also will be done during to this the survival of this the growth of organization. And then the after 20 years we can see that this not will be fully before 20 years the product will be found in your the production unit as like as or the markets. And basically you can see during to this the car industry is a different type of model also will be the change according to your the customer requirements. And during to this the customer requirements, the Japan's the setup with the just in time on procedures also will be the introduced in this Japan's total quality management industry also will be introduced the just in time according to this the customer satisfactions. And similarly the meeting always required the meeting customers requirement, the each and every industry is the very much essential. The TQM aims at the base satisfy the requirements of customers which never remains constant but keeps changing with the change in environment and needs presence etc of this the customers. And another is the continuous improvement, and the continuous improvement required the each and every industry, not only in the production industry. Now in our daily life we have to see this the continuous improvement also will be required. And similarly when your company or the industry you have to survive to this the environment and survive to this the in our market, then you have to record to this the continuous improvement. And this improvement not will be the stopping the on points, and this will be running the each and every years. And also this will be record to this the R&D sections. And the continuous improvement TQM is the total concept is a total concept. It involves the interchanging of all functions and process within an organization in order to achieve continuous improvement in the quality of products service. Moreover, quality is a dynamic concept with advertisement in the technology. An organization must adapt new process and design products to yield continuous improvement in quality to give the best advantage of technology to customers. And also we can see according to this the continuous improvement, the suppose a electronic goods like the or the a computer or a laptop also you have to buy from this the market from this the from 15 years ago. And you can see that this will be comes from this the different generation also will be changed. Suppose the core i3 and 5 generation or the third generation, and according to the customer review the few features also will be the required to this the adding. And during to this the features you have to add, and then you have to not will be the not you have to putting to this the another functions. And also the few features you have to add, and also that this type of product also will be produced to this the some features added, and also you have to given some name, and this will be the updated version also will be there. And core i3 and 7th generation also will be comes, and the i3 8th generation also will become. And this will be required to this the customer satisfaction as well as according to this the customer review. And also this will be the comes from this the continuous improvement according to the R&D sections improvement. And another thing is that this will be continuous improvement always you have to record to this the product for this the customer satisfaction and as like the customer feedbacks. And also this will be the forecast sales forecast also will be comes from this this your the continuous improvement. And always you have to they are taken from this the our salesman as like or this the customers review will be the very much essential according to this the organization for the continuous improvement process. The involvement of all employees, and because the without the employees satisfaction as like the employees culture to this the total quality management, this company cannot be survive, or also it cannot be improve this the new type of product. For this the involvement of all employees is the very much essential for this the total quality management. And the total quality management is called the process of success according to this the total quality management philosophy. Quality is not the responsibility only the production personnel, and this will be rather it is the company wide responsibility. Basically the one person cannot be improve this quality on this the industry. And for this will be essential for this the all person of this the employee according the all person of this the company, and this will be the responsible, and rather it is the company wide responsibility. The total quality management can be successful only when the total organization is quality conscious. And suppose your organizations the not will be the quality conscious, then your company quality product cannot be launched in these markets. And all persons also will be the quality conscious, then you have to easily launch this product, the quality product in this the markets. And for this you have to require the quality can be successfully when the total organization is called quality conscious. Hence the nomenclature of this philosophy as the total quality management, that is the total quality management. The total quality management calls for the improvement in the quality of work of all employees through the popularizing the concept of the quality culture. Basically the quality culture is the very much essential. Suppose we can see the in our the different area, that like what is the production industry, that like the environmental area, that like the social person. You have to concentrate the few area. We can see the all are educated person living on this the area, and also this area each and every child always go to this the school in this the according to the regularly. And another things we can see in another area, there is the more than a few percent boys or the girls, and that's like the child will be go to the school, and there is the no culture is a very good culture also will be there. And suppose you can see in the all times also the wine shop will be open, and all times the different type of local wine also will be the drink, all person also drank. And this is the very much difficult to this the your child will be go to the school. And similarly this area not will be the quality environment also will be found during to this the living quality. And for this you always you have to record to this the quality of this environment of the culture. And this will be the organization culture will be, which is the very much essential. Your organized also will be required to this the good quality product maintained, then you always the produce to this the good quality culture, as like as you have to always done the job according to your the according to requirement or company requirement. And because of this is the you have to job will be done with the love, with the consciousness, with the commitment also. And for this will be required the always the work culture will be the very much essential, that like the environment will be required to this the good quality control system will be there. And the total quality management should be concerned of all managers and workers in this organizations. This will be the very much things. And some places we can see the few managers will be the not is the proper person, this is the lying will be there, and this liar will be difficult to this the organization, and also this organization go to the damage, and also there is the not good quality product will be produced to this the organization. Deming's recommendation for successful TQM, the W. Edward Deming makes 14 recommendation to management for successful total quality management. Basically the general recommendations, the create constancy of purpose for improvement of product, service, and aim of continuous improvement should be reflected in all aspects of organizational strategy. And basically this the continuous improvement, and this will be required, and to this the reflect to this the all aspects of organizational strategy. And sometimes you can see the few places not the properly message convey to this the lower level worker, that this will be the this type of product you have to improve, and also this type of product you have to quality product also will be the produce, and also your the company goodwill you cannot be known to this the lower level worker. And during to this the lower level worker, and all through this will be required the what is your the continuous improvement should be there. And also these things also will be the reflected to this the top to bottom to the top managements, and top to bottom the all labor worker also will be known the which type of improvements will be done in our this company, and also which will be the reflected, and the few times we can see or the bonus will be given to this the company the lower worker, and also the according to these things this will be considered the our product also will be the launch, and also the this type of reflection also will be comes according to your the salary, and the put everyone in the company to work on the transformations, have patience to accomplish the transformations, and adapt the new technology. Sometimes the new technology will be required, and the in our Indian industry is a very much difficult to this the adapted of this the new technology, and this labor and the worker also will be the inbuilt will be this is the not adoption of this the new technology. This is the very much difficult in our the Indian production industry, and sometimes we have to our the labor will be think the new technology will be adapt in this industry, then our job will be less, also will be we have to jobless, and this is the not the proper thinking of this of our worker, and your worker also will be required to this the train, and then you have to adapt it to this the new technology, the improve concert constantly and forever the system of production, quality and service, and the always you have to require to this the production, quality and service to this the customers, and according to this the service will be the very good, and then your product will be taken to this the customers is very easily, because few types of product when you have to sales, then they are the salesman always go to this the door to door, and also you have to commit to this the service will be available, and also you have to given this the a number, and your the customer care number, and these numbers also will be calling, but this is the through long time will be required to this the connected, and for this will be not proper service will be taken, then this type of product will be not survive the in Indian economy, just like or the markets, because of the this service will be not satisfied these customers, then this customer will be reject this product. For this the quality production quality and the service also will be the maintained properly. Continuous improvement is the competitive imperatives, and basically the continuous improvement always you have to require to this the improvement, and as like as the competitive to this the same types of product to this the in our markets, and the basically you have to not will be improvement and the update to your the product to this the day by day according to your the customer requirement, your product cannot be survive in or the environment that like or the markets, and the end the practice of awarding business of this of the basic of price tag along, and this will be always maintained, and do not drive the price down at the cost of quality, and sometimes we have to consider, and like a small example in our the production industry, and small example that like our the education industry, that like the few colleges also will be the less amount of less amount of tuition fees will be taken, but there is the no class will be contract, and then this person also will be not will be aware according to the what will be done this subject, and also according to this the examination time this person will be copying, and this all types of learnness also will be the support to this the industry, and this industry also will be the go to the very bad conditions, and similarly the do not drive price downs at the cost of this quality, and always you have to thinking the your quality is the best, and according to your the quality the first you have to thinking to this the quality, and again you do not compromise the cost of this of your quality. Okay, this is the very much interesting things, and the ACOM recommendations vice versa directings, the adapt and institute leaderships do not attain the control at the expense of leadership, and break down barriers between staff area, develop a high level of understanding to mutual problem solving throughout the organizations, and always you have to consider the breakdown barriers between the staff areas, and you have to the few industry also you can see there is the no always the this will be the staff area you have to required to this the barrier and develop the high level of understanding of mutual problem solving, and this will be required throughout the organizations and drive out fear, and always you have to require to this drive out from this the fear of losing job, the punishment produce losses, and during to sometimes you can say according to or the production man, the you have to concentration the suppose this is always some fear factor also will be available to this production person, and this will be considered that this product also will be destroyed. Then during to this this destroying the some punishment will come to for me, and this will be the some my job also will be lost, and this is the very much difficult for this the quality product also will be produced, because of the he will be thinking that the best quality product will be produced, and sometimes we have to see our this is the R&D section, and this is the for this the long time you have to research and development work also will be done, but there is the no fruitful result will be comes, but the this person also will be the some fear factor also will be there, there is the no good quality product also will be produced in our company for this the my R&D section, then our job will be lost, and this is the very difficult for this this person cannot be again cannot be go to this the forward, because of he will be always thinking that there is the no loss of this the of this defect, or not will be the R&D section also will be available, but only the systematical way we have to done this job, and there is the few difficulties will be comes, then also you have to raise your hand that there is the no job also will be done, and also this will be transferred to this the another person, that this is a very difficult, and the stop of harness workers, and the stop to harass workers, and sometimes we have to see in the few industry the always the worker will be harassment by this the top management, and this will be the very difficult, and during to this harassment, and the top management that your workers cannot be done this job frequently or also the freely, then this will be the difficult to given this the good quality product, and also your the total quality management will be the very much difficult for this the harassment of these workers, and for this the stop to harassment harassment of these the workers, the eliminate the slogans extortions for this the workforce, and as these are the evidence of failure of manage, and sometimes we have to we can see the few workers also will be the given the obstruction to this the top management, and also you will be given some slogans that we cannot be work done properly, and also this the workforce also will be the destroyed, and this is the very much difficult for surviving in our company to in our environment, and this is the always you have to stop to the harass the workers, and the eliminate slogans extortion for this the workforce, as those are evidence of the failure to this management. Basically this will be the evidence of this the failure of manage. To harass means to speak loudly and angrily to pursue purpose do not to do some things, and always you have to think this type of the violent peoples that do some things, anything can be done by this the damage in or the company or as like the production units, and another thing is that the institute the training a preconditions for continuous improvement, and this will be required the all institute the training session also will be very much essential for this the product preconditions for this the continuous improvement, and the institute a vigorous program of education and the self improvements also will be the required, and each and every institute required to this the vigorous program of this the education and the self improvement, and remove the barriers that rob people of pride of workmanship, and few times we have to see in the few industries that sometimes the in this 1 year two or more than 2, 3, 4, and the few times of the party will be the throw on this the production manager, that like or the company company managing director, that he will be the throwing a get together, and this get together also will be the remove this the barrier from this the rope people to the to your this manager, and that time this will be the basically the also concentrate to this the enjoy the this company will be the best, and also the this type of production unit you have to given this the full effort when you have to produce to this the production, because of you have to remove this barrier that drop people pride of this the workmanship. The annual performance and the merit rating are the biggest obstacles, and sometimes the annual performance and the merit rating are the biggest obstacles also will be comes from or this is the good quality management, and the recommendation by the controlling and the build quality into the product, and the quality into the product, this will be the very much essential, and also the says dependence of the mass inspection, and the mass inspection also will be there, and because the first you have to require to this the sampling of the inspection, and the after that you have to require to this the your inspection will be the very good quality inspection also will be required, and suppose the you have to sample inspection, sometimes you have to sampling the 100 quantity, and according to 100 the 10 samples will be inspection, but this 10 samples will be the good quality product, but the another 92 you have to not will be the good quality. This is the difficult, and for this the inspection is the very much essential, and also the build the quality into the product. The case dependence on mass inspection. In fact, the greater the number of inspectors, the greater the number of defects, and suppose the more number of inspectors will be comes, and also the more number of inspection will be comes in our the company, and also the you have to get a number of defects will become, and according to this the more inspection, then you have to record to this the defectless products will be comes to this the markets, and also this will be concentrated to this the good quality product, and also the total quality managed can be done, and the eliminating numerical controls for the workforce. The numerical controls for the workforce change system to support and help people to ensure that target are met, and the few advantages of this the total quality management. The sharpness competitive edge of the enterprise, and the total quality management helps an organization to reduce cost through the elimination of waste, remove etc. It increase profitability and competitiveness of this the enterprise, and helps to sharpen the organization's competitive edge in the globalized economy of today, and sharpness competitiveness also competitive is the very age of the enterprise, and this will be organization competitive age of this globalized economy of the today. The excellent customer satisfaction, the excellent customer satisfaction is the comes from this the advantage of total quality management by focusing on customers requirements. This is the very much essential for this the focus of the customer requirements, and the total quality management makes for excellent customer satisfaction. This leads to more and more sales and excellent relations with customers. Suppose our MI mobile phone, that means the MI mobile phone is the very concentrate for this the customer requirement and like to the customer satisfaction. For this type of product, the before launching also the order will be taken by this the customer, and the according to this the customer requirement, the this quantity of products will be launched this market. For this the not this product will be hold on this the different suppliers as like as the different hub due to not will be storage the long times, for according to this the customer satisfaction and the customer requirements, and the forecast also will be comes from this the selling, and the improvement in organization performance through the promoting quality culture in the organization. Total quality management lead to improvement in managerial and the operative personal's performance, good public image of the enterprise. The total quality management peoples to in society. This is due to stress on total quality systems and customers requirements under the philosophy of total quality management and um, better personal relationship. The personal relationship will be the very much essential for this the maintain the good quality or the total quality management. The total quality management aims at a promoting mutual trust and the upon opens the among employees at all levels in the organizations. This leads to the better personal relations in the enterprise will be required. The limitation of total quality management. The philosophy of the total quality management suffer from the following major limitations. The waiting for a long times and the basically the this will be required to this the waiting for this long time, and also this will be the long run programs also will be concentrated, and the few industrialists not will be supposed to concentrate to this the long time, because of this is the small scale industry always not maintain to this the waiting for this the long time. And the total quality management requires the significant change in organization consisting of the change in methods, process, etc. of organizations. The second is the change in attitude, behavior, etc. of these people, and basically this will be the few times you can see the behavior also will be changed. There is the no respect to this the senior, and there is the no measuring to this the upper boss also will be the not given this value. And the launching of total quality management and acceptance of this philosophy of total quality management requires a long waiting for this the organization. It is not possible to accept and implement the total quality management overnight. Overnight, the problem of labor management relations and the success of total quality management depends on the relationship between the labor and the management, because the participations of people at all levels is a prerequisite for this the total quality management program implementations. In many organizations here and abroad, labor management relations are quite tense. As such, launching acceptance and the implementations of the total quality management programs is nothing more than a dream for such organizations. And next classes we have to discuss the contributions of quality masters. Thank you.